Oh no!
Arriving at North York Center. North York Center Station. Doors will open on the right. Line 1, North Finch. Please stand clear of the doors.
Help keep the team safe. Report any suspicious activity to a member of staff or a police officer.
Hey people, it is Monday, December 18th. The time is 8:03 p.m. and outside the temperature is around 1 degree Celsius, and I'm here at North York Center Station in North York. And this is in the Willowdale neighborhood. And for this one, I'm going to head outside and check out a Christmas market of sorts. That is the holiday fair in the square at Lastman Square. And the easiest way to get there would be to head out of the west side exit there. I'm going to complicate things a bit and head out the east side. And we'll cross the street and enter what is hopefully a pretty good holiday fair. And you may have seen in some of my recent downtown videos the other one of these located at Yonge and Dundas. It's a neat concept. Pay some money to win some shrimp chips. I'm still curious as to how much money these places make. They never seem to be that busy. Maybe I'm just coming at the wrong times. But this is the Empress Walk plaza I'm in, or I guess mini shopping mall, however you want to call it. It's been raining lightly all day. And the forecast is calling for snow flurries and light snow later tonight. Let's look down at the Loblaw supermarket. There's a movie theater up on the top floor. Let's head outside and cross the street. Oh, look at this. We have snow flurries. And Lastman Square is just over there. Maybe I should have left from the west side exit. Let's head up to this crossing. Often you can just cross the street with a break in traffic. That does not seem to be the case. It's really hard to shield the camera lens from these kinds of flurries. They're light and blowing all over the place. Seems to be fairly dry. I'll wipe it off every now and then. Just like so. This is not a waterproof camera. When I left my apartment, there was no rain or snow. There's an overly loud Mercedes. And just a reminder, if you haven't, please do go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Toronto content. It is very near 100,000. It's over 99,900 at the moment. So North York used to be its own city prior to amalgamation in the late 90s. And this would have been the City Hall just up here on the right at Lastman Square. There's also a public skating rink here. One last check of the camera before we head back out. Oh no! All right. So we have Santa to the left, rides and games, Polar Point Bar, mulled wine, spiked cider, and food vendors. To the right we have the Fireside Cafe, even more vendors, and the Artisan Marketplace. There's a Midway here apparently. And this runs between December 1st and December 23rd. Tiny Tom Donuts has made an appearance. Bob's Burgers.
Thank you for hanging out here. Once again, we were the Toronto Northern Lights. Here we go.
That's okay. That's quite nice. There's some more food vendors here. Funnel cake, beaver tails. Sadly, it looks like a lot of these vendors aren't open. It said on the website it would be open, let's see here, till 9 p.m. It says Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Well, this is a Monday. Friday to Saturday, 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday, 12 p.m. till 9. A lot of vendors just not bother to open tonight. Maybe I'm missing something. It's only 8:12. I might have to come back here and do this. There's the bar over there. The skating rink. Yeah, Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Selected vendors will open starting at noon. Friday to Saturday, 12 till 10. Sunday, 12 p.m. until 9 p.m. Here we are at 8:14, and it's mostly closed. Well, we found where Santa is.
I need the sandbag to go that way.
Seems to be just people looking around. Photos with Santa are by donation to Epilepsy Toronto.
Take a picture with him for free, but if you want, you can donate $5
Right.
or more or less.
Do you know why everything's closed?
Because it's really cold and rainy and there's not a lot of people today, so a bunch of vendors are leaving.
That's kind of disappointing because it says on the website open till 9, but
It is, but like it's kind of contingent on weather and stuff. But because
Yeah.
there's really not been a lot of people, not a lot of
Alright.
traction.
makes sense, I guess. Thank you. Not your doing. I was led to believe there would be a Midway as well. Some mulled wine. Tickets, so this would be the ride section. They just straight up closed everything. Well, I don't know what more to say or show. Maybe we'll see what's going on over here. Almost everything is closed, but kudos to these vendors for staying open. The few of them that have. This is the most entertaining part of this fair in the square. The aspiring TikTok artists. Anyways, I think I might go grab a coffee and reset. Maybe I'll do a live stream. I'm not really sure. That was the fair in the square. At North York Center Station. Feel free to look this up on the internet. I really don't think the conditions are bad enough at all for these vendors to be closed, although I wasn't here earlier when it was raining. I hope you still enjoyed it. It was certainly an interesting look. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. If you wish to support what I do on YouTube, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership down in the description. I have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides, and there is a super thanks button appearing below the video if you wish to say thanks that way. I'll come back up to North York and do a walk through here at nighttime. Maybe when there's a full-on snowfall going. There's some oddly worded English. I think what I'll do is I'll make some lemonade out of these lemons and do a live stream. So, thank you so much for watching. Stay warm, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next one. Yoink!